The Gift, story by Gerry West, illustrated by Garth Glazier. Once upon a time, in a land far away, there lived a lion cub who loved each holiday. What did he like best? Can you guess? Could it be peace on earth and happiness? No, he wished for shiny wrapped gifts. He loved his beautifully wrapped gifts. He would sniff his gifts. He would shake his gifts. High over his head, he would lift his gift. From paw to paw and claw to claw, he shifted his gifts. The curious little cub loved thinking about his gifts. While playing in the spring in fields of clover, the little lion stopped to think over. When I grow up, don't you see, there would be no more gifts for me. The gift-loving lion thought of his flight and started to feel extremely uptight. He rolled in the clover, sniffing a buttercup, saying over and over, I will never grow up. The gifts kept coming season after season. Sometimes they appeared for no special reason. From paw to paw and claw to claw, the lion cub shifted his gifts. He sniffed his gifts and shook his gifts, and the lion cubs loved his gifts. Nothing lasts forever. Time doesn't stand still. So the little cub grew against his will. He knew that soon his gifts would be no more, and he showed his displeasure with a mighty roar. Time passed, and the little cub soon was full soon grown. He had a wife and a home of his own. He didn't think of gifts to sniff and explore. In fact, he never thought of gifts anymore. Until one day, his wife gave him a very special gift, a son. He sniffed his gift and kissed his gift high over his head, and he lifted his gift. From paw to paw and claw to claw, he sniffed his gift. He shifted his gift. At last, he knew this was his most incredible gift. We are never too old to receive a gift. We are never too young to give a gift. Gifts come wrapped with ribbons and bows, but any smart lion knows the best gift is in the giving. The end. Make sure you like.